Alright, when it comes to following a great diet or diet-based food, the biggest challenge is that it takes a lot of time to prepare and you end up not doing it. So we are coming up with a lot of recipes which are really take some time and you can prepare in about few minutes. So let's go.
Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and that is Nair, and today we are going to be doing a 60 to maximum 90-second bread for you. That's a vegan, keto and gluten-free. Let's quickly go and check the recipe.
Alright, you want to make sure that you subscribe to that bell icon that you get to know about our new videos, which is about almost 7 times in a week. Let's go.
First, a flaxseed meal, or you can also take normal flax seeds, grind them. So that's about 2 tablespoons I'm going to use. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, about 2 tablespoons almond milk, and half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. There you go, and your dough is ready. So ideally you need to use your fingers or your hands and make the dough, because it's not like a mug bread what we do. I prefer adding no salt to it. Probably add it on the dressing on the top once it's ready. And you can form like a small ball kind of structure. There we go. I'm going to give it a shape of a flat bread. Lastly, you can also use, so I have some mixed seeds with me. I'm going to use those seeds and top it up with some pumpkin, some flax and some sunflower seeds. There we go. And our flatbread is ready to go into the microwave. If you don't have a microwave, you can also use a pan. So I'm going to put this in the microwave for the next 30 seconds. If you want the bread to be a little harder, you can keep it for about 60 seconds. If you don't have a microwave, you can also do it over a pan with a very little of oil or a clarified butter. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And our gluten-free vegan bread is ready. It's super fast, super easy and highly nutritious. So our super healthy, super delicious, super quick vegan keto bread is ready. It's loaded with fiber, it's loaded with nutrients, it's extremely low carbohydrate, will keep you in whatever stage of diet you are. So if you're following a low carb diet or a ketogenic diet, it will keep you in a ketosis stage.
That's so true. I've been dieting from a long time, and I always used to do it for about a few weeks and I had to leave it because of the taste of the food. But now we have got you a lot of options which you can literally stick to the diet and at the same time can look the greatest. So let's go. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. We're looking forward to see you in the next video.